Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can track Amazon Auto, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that you simply have to first of all access your Amazon on your mobile phone. Go ahead, go to search bar and access your Amazon. Now go to this home section, and this is how your home section gonna appear. Right now, right afterwards you're gonna tap on this human icon in the bottom and tap and go back for that matter a bit and tap on this option of your orders on top. Now once you have done so, you will be able to find all of the listed orders of yours right there. So if you want to track a particular one, go ahead, tap on it, and afterwards you will find this option of track beneath. Go ahead, tap on this track package track order option. Now you will be able to check out all of the updates regarding your delivery progress of your particular product, and you can do that to any other orders as well in the Amazon. You simply have to access your orders, access your product, and tap on track package, which will be given in there as an option, and you can simply check out the progress. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.